car, it's a boat, as you can see. This is what it looks like. It's a boat at a classic car show. I'm sure there's a modern, Dodge Charger in Britain, but gotta put my hand out for this because it's made for. Make sure there's no one looking.
Don't touch.
Carbon fibre. It's the Ford Fiesta. Why do they put these on the steering wheel? What's this doing on the steering wheel? We're in. I've been through it. Volkswagen Common Gear. Haven't seen a single Ferrari yet, but this is a VW Common Gear. Mum, where's Wolfsburg? Wolfsburg, do you know where that is? It's in Great Missington. Can we go there? Can we go there, please? Yeah, can we go? It's in Great Missington. Yeah. Do 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 do. Now this is a beauty. I'm just gonna. I'm gonna do some inspiration on this car. Morris Marina. Now this is a Morris Marina. Now this is a car. It's on top gear. Piano's land on the roof and it's still. It's a 1974 Morris Marina. There are some new cars anyway. I'm just gonna go back. Here's the car bought. It's a Volkswagen Common Gear. No, wait. Let me go back. I'll show you the car I've bought. While it was off air, I bought a car. Come with me. It's mine. This is mine. No one was going to buy it, so I bought it. It's a 1957, so that's... How old is that? 1963, that's 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 56 years old. It's a...
But you wish you could have
What car is this? Do you know what car this is?
It's a Piaggio, made by the people who made Vespa scooters. It says on the back, Vespa 400.
It's a Vespa 400, this. It's a Vespa 400 and I've just bought it. It's, top speed's about 40 miles an hour, so it's really slow.
Probably does about 45.
Really? What year is this car from? 1952. And the head... Anyway, there we are. Now let's go for the Vespa 400. I like that car the best. I like the Vespa 400. Take a photo. Oh, Minnie with the poppy on it. I like the Vespa 400. It's a best.
I think you're going to have to do your last video, so it's going to run out of everything in a minute.
Memory, okay. Yeah.